Yeet. Oh, it didn't all come out. It was just stupid. So the oven's preheated. The weed's ready. Pop this sucker in there. Let me just make sure it's airtight on there. Okay. And into there. 20 minutes. Can you remind me in 20 minutes? It's 5:52 right now. What's that plus 20? It would be, we got a 10. So 5. So that would be 10. So it would be 6. Oh, 6:12. Okay. Think it's time? All right. Let me open that bitch. I'm not dropping that phone on the ground. Holy shit. This is not working. Oh god, it smells like extreme gas when I open that. There's my weed.
Ain't no pussy like a big wet pussy. On my nuts, lick on my butt. Ain't no pussy like a big wet pussy. On my nuts, lick on my butt. Ain't no pussy like a big wet pussy. On my nuts, lick on my butt. Ain't no pussy like a big wet pussy. On my nuts, lick on my butt.
This is good. This is good. This is gas. Wow, that was good. Oh, hell yeah. Bruh. I'm a dog. Ugh. Cooking, boys. Easy. Easy. Lemon's crazy. Press down on it. Ooh. Oh, that thing's cooking. Oh. I think I'm gonna go with like a rare steak, or at least medium rare. Oh hell yeah! Oh god, part of it isn't cooking. One part of it isn't cooking. Is that bad? I'm gonna flip this motherfucker. Should I flip it? Always flip your steaks. Oh, I need to put salt on it. My bad. Ooh. That looks about done. I'm gonna say. Finish. Voila! Welcome to my kingdom. Me want food. Me want food. Me hungry. I want food. I want food. This is how I eat in restaurants. I eat the rest of it just with my fucking bare hands. I'm a man. I get it kind of juicy. All soaked up in the juices and whatnot.